Welcome to our series of videos to help you get started using Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a high-level overview of the software to help get you oriented before we dive into the details. So first and foremost, thank you for joining Plottr. And we're going to get started with a story that most people are familiar with, The Three Little Pigs. So here in this demonstration file, which we'll be using throughout the course, we're going to start in the timeline section, which is the main section in Plottr and where you'll spend most of your time when working in the software. This is the area where you visually arrange your story, including your chapters, plot lines, and scene cards. In the outline section, you'll find the linear outline of your story based on how you set up the details in the timeline section. In the notes section, you can collect and organize notes, ideas, brainstorming, or any details you'd like to keep track of throughout the story. In the characters section, you can organize and track the details about the characters in your books. The next section is places, and that allows you to do the exact same thing except for the various locations throughout your story. And finally, tags gives you an additional layer of flexibility to organize all your locations, characters, notes, and scene cards throughout Plottr. And finally, the last tab that we'll look at is the Projects tab, where you can organize all the details of an individual book or throughout a whole series, as well as add and organize books within the series. And we'll go into more detail on all these sections in future videos. So that covers our brief overview of Plottr and the different sections we'll be diving into in the coming videos. If you found this information useful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave any comments below. And subscribe to the channel for all our latest updates and information. And I'll see you in the next video.